He betrayed me. My beetle guard betrayed me! I shouldn't know. I thought what we had was special! But no! He took away the best chance I got to finally beat this game myself! What the fuck was that? I stood up for too long! I stood up by 1 second too long, and that's enough to just be like, oh, yep, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, game says fuck you. Alright, I'm out. Fuck you, peace. Peace, I'm uninstalling Risk of Rain.